The Ferrari F40 was the last car approved by Enzo Ferrari himself. It was a technical masterpiece and really elevated the technology used in Ferrari's road cars. It was designed to celebrate 40 years of Ferrari car production, and that gave it its name, the F40. Welcome back to O'Rourke Coachtrimmers. Today we're going to talk about the products and services that we can offer for your Ferrari F40. We'll also cover the work that's been carried out on this particular car. If we have a look inside the car, we can start showing you some of the bits and pieces that we can supply and some of the services we offer. So now we're inside the cabin of the F40. You can see it's a really driver focused cabin. There's a lot of exposed carbon fibre, the doors, all of the floors, very exposed, very raw. And then what material is in here is no longer available from Ferrari, so we have remanufactured both the grey cloth and the red seating material, and we can also supply the correct vinyl for the headlining. The seats differ in this car. When it was new, this car was sent back to Michelotto and had a number of upgrades from suspension and brakes through to engine tuning, but it also had an LM driver's seat and an LM steering wheel fitted. The LM seats differ from the standard road car seats, in how they were stitched and their appearance, but also the material, because the seats would have needed to be rated for racing, so they would have had the correct material that met the FIA standards. And then the passenger seat is a stock European F40 seat with the correct material that we've remanufactured. You also have the US style seats, which were a folding bucket seat. Again, that's in the same standard seat material, but with a different stitch design. We can help you with any of these styles of seats if you need any help having them retrimmed, or kits to have them retrimmed locally to yourself. And again, with the grey cloth, you can either send your parts in for us to retrim them, or we can supply the material for you to use your trimmer of choice. So we've just covered most of the materials and services that we can offer, and now we'll just have a little look and talk about some of the parts that we can help you with. Starting with seats, we quite often have the option of supplying genuine original seats for people, and if that isn't available, we can also supply reproduction units. We can supply them from a bare shell through to a fully trimmed seat, so please get in touch. We also have the original optional overmats and the correct rubber mats that go onto them available. We have the rubber mats that bond onto the floor available. Again, just to touch on, we can supply all of the various materials. We have reproduction sun visors and fiberglass headlining panels. And that is about what you've got inside an interior for an F40 when it comes to parts. But if we've missed anything that you need and you think we could help, please get in touch and we'll see what we can do. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and we'll bring you another one soon.